Welcome to Truality.Me. Smarter, faster, stronger. I'm Mr. Y, creator of Truality.Me. Rebuilt from the ground up for sharper performance, premium tools, and a fully functional feedback page where your voice drives every improvement. Enjoy ad-free financial management, free essentials, and optional upgrades for deeper insights. Your experience shapes the future of Truality. Let's grow it together. Mr. Y, founder of Truality.Me, in support of the Truality Cause. This message was brought to you by Mr. Y, dedicated to transparency, authentic financial education, and empowering you to create a future rooted in integrity. Images are for representation. Product may vary in color, texture, or design. If you found this content helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more updates from Truality.Finance and my other channels, Truality.Legalese, Mental, and Unfiltered. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. And don't forget to stop by my central platform, Truality.Finance.